everyone, today I'm back again with the topic will and shall. Basically, will and shall have the same meanings, but when they are used in the sentence, they have a bit difference. So let's get back to the instance to check it out that how they are helpful for us. The very first one is the usage of will. So we can use will when we have to decide something or when we are going to do something. So will is used basically for the confirmation. The next one says you cannot use will when you have already decided something. And the third instance says you cannot use the present indefinite while using will. For example, if you want to say I will phone you, this is incorrect. You can say I phone you. The next one is the example how we can use shall. So basically shall is used when one has options, that is when you have alternatives you can use shall. The next one says shall is also used to warn someone as prior. For example, you shall be punished if you will execute it. So I think your perplex will be over about will and shall. I'll come with the new videos and do not forget to subscribe our channel Arts Learning. Thank you.